So, overall, holistically, if I say, it was a very nice experience. One good part of being in this program was it was very one-to-one, very involvement was high. Otherwise, normally in such training programs, the faculty is not so much involved with individual and their assignment or their experience sharing, or maybe getting into details. For example, when couple of times even you told me ki, if your homework is not done, maybe you need to sit again and think and write, and then maybe if required again, Smita or someone was getting in touch with me. So that individual focus of whether whatever we are trying to give up as a knowledge or as a framework or whatever, as a coaching, as a skill, whether everybody is on the similar page, or maybe someone is left behind, you always ensure that that person comes up to the next class again, he is there with everyone. So that was very good part. It was nahi ki matlab, it was not one sided
Right.
ki pura you are talking, we are just listening, and then after the session, okay, done.
Right.
Another thing, you didn't think of time.
Yeah.
Sometimes we even exceeded the time, we exceeded the days also, for that matter. So that was a good part, that for you also the agenda was that whether the learning transfer is happening for us or not. It was not like कि मेरा ये कोर्स है, मेरी ये फीस आ गई, ये सेशन खत्म हो गए. So that is the best part, because normally in the corporate world, n number of trainers are there in this particular field, but it's very kind of a very professional setup. So I appreciate that this was professionally taught, but the interaction or the relationship were not so professional or transactional. It was more deeper ones. From my learning point of view, if I talk to you, listening was something I have been trying to practice. Trying to be non-judgmental is something that I look at as a very key takeaway. Then couple of things more in the listening area is that sometimes instead of understanding or listen to another, we get into a reactive mode or a execution mode. So now I'm just thinking, stopping myself, trying to absorb whatever is around, and then making a response. So instead of reacting, trying to respond. That was important for me as learning, because maybe with my background I had learned counseling, or maybe as I told, I was learning REBT coaching also simultaneously. So that was good part. And initially, maybe 1.5 year back, one of my friends, she did a program, and then she had done free coaching sessions for me. So some flavor I had, but this was learning on my own with you was really a great experience. One thing was, the another thing I felt was the trust whenever we were sharing everything in very personal situations, examples. The trust was immense. And of course, that is not anything that we sign off, but
Right.
that's how we feel from the day one, that yes, this person is trustworthy. I can share what's going on, or what are my problems, what are my challenges, where are my hurdles. So I never felt any hesitation to share with you. Uh, maybe maybe any personal example or experience as well.
Right.
Also, I would like to mention that sometimes uh, you went ahead and beyond your coaching framework to tell us sometimes very practical. Maybe we when we think in one manner, we don't have then another perspective. So, how to build multiple perspectives for the same situation, same experience is something that now I'm trying to. So, because everybody has a perspective to see
Right.
that particular situation. So, that was something critical. One thing which I learned to learn more is maybe how to present self,
Yeah.
or maybe tomorrow if I decide that I want to go and be in this field full fledged, get out of my corporate role, and try to be on my own or a self-employed. For this, I think I need to learn more on branding self, then ensuring that how. See, I think I must have spoke to you in the earlier couple of sessions as well, that always, when you are a salaried employee, you have that one particular amount coming to you and just getting detached from it and starting. So honestly, still that part remains still an anxious part for me
Right.
whenever I decide. So somewhere I have taken a goal that on my 45th birthday I want to be on my own, that is
Yeah.
me in uh, 2027.
Very good.
But I need to plan this 2 years very well.
Right. Very good.
So this action planning is something that I'm still working on, and maybe I would get in touch with you separately with what exactly I should put that. Matlab, honestly speaking, there are a lot of thoughts,
Right.
but they are not structured as of now for me.
Yeah.
So how I need to structure the next 2 years. So this is something that
Yes.
I will look forward if you can take out sometimes
Yes.
categorically
Yes.
on this.
Yes. Yeah. We can connect.
So
Yeah.
yeah. So this overall experience was pretty well. And
Yeah.
as I said, the personal attention and the individual focus was very high. That was the best part of this particular program. And understanding the ladder framework, it was not any time full of jargons. It was made easy for, because all of her in the batch had come from different backgrounds.
Right.
So it was very much simplified so that any person of any age group or any qualification or any background can understand and try to learn from it.
Right. That's really great. And thank you for that. I think it was a wonderful journey. And anytime you can talk to Smita whenever you are free, like, we can talk and I will able to guide you for your future journey. And you have all the capability, like, I encourage people to, like, be on a tone, be coaches. And of course, as you said, financial planning is also very important part. So, karke, and then we need to start our own journey for getting into the coaching.
Yeah,
Whenever you feel, we are here only. So whenever you feel, you can talk to Smita and we can have a session and we'll talk on that.
sure, sure. I'll make it a point, sir, to take your time.
Sure.
Thank you so much. It was nice
Thank you.
getting learning from you.
Pleasure, pleasure. Thank you. Bye.
Thank you. Bye.